Hi friends, now we will concentrate regarding one particular command in AutoCAD 3D modeling, that is revolve. Basically what we need in case of revolve is a geometrical entity and an axis. Here I have drawn already one geometrical entity. I am going to select this revolve command. It is offering two different options in case of mode. They are solid and surface. Initially I am going to select solid. By default it is solid, so I am going to retain solid. Now I have to select the entity to be revolved around an axis. Normally the axis should be parallel to the profile. So the axis is y. I am selecting y axis here. It is asking for the angle revolution, starting angle, reverse expression. So angle of revolution I am giving complete 360. If you don't want to give 360, if you want to give partial thing like 180 degree or 270 degree, you can give as per your requirement. But my requirement is 360. I will show you how exactly I can change from 360 to 180 or something like that. But right now we will see 360 degree. Okay. After that, change the rendering pattern. Can see here, just tilt it and then see this how exactly it has generated. This is how it has generated. This is how you can use revolve. You can observe here there's a small gap at the bottom. The reason is I had not touched the axis. That is the reason we got this particular thing. You can see here there's a gap between the profile as well as the axis. That is the reason we got that gap. If you don't want that, you can just bridge it. You will completely get the continuity. So I got a hole here because of this gap. Okay. Similarly, just try out the other options available here. Just go to revolve option, then select the body. I don't want to extrude it for the whole 360 degree. I want it for only 120 degree or 180 degree or 270 degree. Just enter it as 270 degree. Just rotate this and then go to rendering style pattern, change the rendering option. You can see here, so it is revolved partially, not completely. Complete 360 revolve option is not used here, only partially this entity is revolved. You can see the difference here. If you want to go for the solid, then you should not use the open profile, you have to go for closed profile. Let us see how exactly it can be created. Now I am going to draw a closed profile, something like this. I am going to remove this. You can see the difference. You just tilt it as per your requirement. Okay. So go to revolve option and select the entity to be revolved. Okay. So select y axis. You can provide the angle of revolution. I don't want to give 360 because I want to see how exactly it's going to work out. So I will give 180 degree. Just tilt it and then see this, change the rendering pattern. You can see here, this is how it is going to be generated. It is solid in nature. The reason is it is closed profile. If it is open profile, it's going to generate surface. Even if you opt for solid, then also surface would be generated. So in this case I can generate surface also. If I select the option in case of mode, if I am going to select the option as a surface, I am going to get the surface. Earlier we selected solid, then also we got surface. The reason is it's not closed profile, it is open profile. Suppose if you go for closed profile, we are going to get the solid. Thank you very much. Keep watching, subscribe to my videos. Thank you very much.